Um, welcome in. Uh, shit. I never know what I should be saying when I begin this stream. Um, yeah. Mm, I also feel always still feel very anxious. Like, well, once I enter a sort of it's sort of okay, but when I start, anyways. So yeah. Hi. Today we are gonna be starting a new project. Oh, that is way too slow. Okay, this is better. We we are gonna be starting a new project. Um, a render made entirely in Rust from scratch. Well, it wouldn't be made entirely. Hmm. I mean, oh, we can't make it entirely from scratch. Entirely in Rust. So, so there's this one project I have found on Steam now on Twitch. That sort of that's sort of like that, mm, that's sort of like oh that's sort of like an oh an hour but for shaders and stuff like that. So like with it you write rest that compiles down into why am I so quiet? That compiles into the target language. Anyways, we are going to be doing the thing. We are going to be writing our shells ourselves, so we are not going to be writing entirely Rust. So we are going to be creating a new project. We are going to be calling it render her. We are just going to be calling it render. And we are going to build it. Sure enough. As you can see in well, yeah. Anyways, so we are gonna add web GPU because this is an essential thing that we will need. We are also gonna be adding shit. We need it. We need it. Yes. It's another. That what that is what will be handling the window and stuff. So now we are gonna build it. Just so that all dependencies are compiled. And now we have a complicated choice to make. So there are math libraries in Rust that will probably have the functionality I need. However, before while working before I how do I say that? How do I express it? Like this is not my first time writing a renderer from scratch. I have done that 4 times using various rendering graphics APIs and languages. So, and each time I wrote a new math library. So now I'm considering whether or not I should do the same here. I'm not sure if it's a good idea because, well, it will suck Why aren't you? What's happening? I'm sorry for the silence. It's sure. Um, why are you being stupid? Can you not be stupid, please? Please don't be stupid. Fucking hell. Come on. Okay. This is better. Come on. Okay, here we go. Sorry for that. So, as I was saying, why are you being stupid again? Kick, 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 kicker P. Thank you for following. Sorry for the thing. It's being very stupid. Actually, I'm just gonna relaunch it. Sorry for that. But thank you for following. So, as I was saying, we have a choice to make. To either write a math library ourselves again, which I think would be fun in Rust, or to use an existing math library. Thanks for the think. Well, thank you for thanking me for thanking you. Yes. Come on, please work. Why are you being so stupid? I'm really sorry. Okay. Good. I have no idea why that was happening. Anyways, so the advantages of making our own math library is, well, there aren't really any advantages because I'm gonna be honest, I suck. But my code will likely suck. It will likely be slow, and it will be the most naive implementations of the algorithms, because I'm not an expert in that. The advantages of using existing math libraries would be that, first off, the whole project will be a lot faster. Second, we will eliminate a whole slew of bugs because we won't have to check if it's the math library or some other part of the code. And yeah, and it will also be faster. Be afraid. I do. Hope you're doing well today. I do as well. Don't worry. Oh yeah, don't worry. What? Oh well. No. Oh yeah. Shit. sorry. Words are not my strong point. Yeah, I'm not worried about that. I'm just acknowledging that I'm not perfect. I mean, nobody is. So, for now, I think we are not gonna worry about it. And since at first we just don't need any complicated math stuff. So, hello, can you summarize what kind of render are you making? Hi, Thorov. Good question. I don't know myself really. So, the plan is that this render will later be integrated into the more bigger thing for my overlay thing. So, it will need to have skeletal animations and skeletal animations. And so let's start off by setting the target. We need to so that we know what we are doing. So it sounds like you are going towards a real-time game rendering engine. Yes. That's exactly what we are going to be doing. Real-time game engine renderer. Thank you. I just wasn't quite sure how to answer exactly because I'm not sure what kind of renderers are there. So I suppose. Why are you so loud? So I suppose the main two are real time and not real time renderer. So that's our bingo. What do we need? So guys, we need a skeletal animations. Skeletal animations. That's our first thing that we need. That's a long-term goal. Second goal is GLTF floating. We are going to be loading GLTF files because, well, though I suppose it's not part of the render, but it's not really part of the render now that I think about it, but it is part of the greater thing that we are going to be working on. So we are going to be removing that actually because file handling is not something that the renderer should handle. Please don't handle your files with things that don't need to handle the files. Sorry. At work, I'm rewriting this code base and like it's a mess. It's a fucking mess. I'm so angry. Like you are not supposed to handle files in the same function where you are seeing things from a thing. Like this is fine. It's fun. It is fun. I am calm. So this is gonna be in ascending order. this is the last goal that we are gonna be working to. Before that, we are gonna be having a lighting diffuse lighting. Not sure if we are gonna really use it. Then we are gonna go for colored and textures. Color and textures. And so it's the your thing. Are you building it from scratch or using something like OpenGL? So, in my opinion, doing it from scratch is using OpenGL because no sane person would ever write things completely from scratch without using OpenGL or Vulkan or something. Like, I'm not sure how insane you have to be to do it entirely from scratch. So, in that sense, yeah, we are gonna be using WebGPU and WinInit, which are WebGPU is sort of an abstraction on top of various rendering framework, rendering APIs, graphics APIs that integrates with it. So it's sort of it's like a generalized rendering API. But we don't have to deal with the specifics of each platform, and well, we don't need it to be cross-platform. Anyways, I just like WebGPU, okay? Okay, and WinInit is it's a windowing system. It just handles Windows and stuff. So, and I think also input. So yeah, we are gonna be using that. Because I'm not writing Wayland or Excel code myself. Fuck that. No thanks. Right. And so complex model loading. Real-time transfer. So yeah, this is single color. So this is our checklist. We are gonna be going from the no, this is stupid. We are gonna be going from the top down. So, and I think it's the fifth use. So yeah, we are gonna be going like this. First thing, we are gonna be earning obviously a triangle. After that, we are gonna be loading textures. After that, we are gonna be loading textures, and after that, we are gonna be loading complex models. We are also gonna have sub projects. So I'm not sure about how from scratch I'm going to be, because I'm still on the fence about this part. Should I or should I not use a math library? Because well I don't know. Math library question mark. Then we also can have an OBJ loader. OBJ is a really simple format. GLTF loader, and if it's a good math library, I would say do it. Well, I'm not sure are about what mudsliding app is. And it's just that whenever well, this is not my first time working on a render slash game engine. So, and all previous times before that, I always start a mudsliding myself. So, so I think so. So I'm not sure if I should do that again. Right. And yeah, and these are our sub-project goals, which we will need to accomplish bigger goals. And potentially also image loader question mark. This one I'm also not sure about it. I think I'm gonna use some I'm not gonna use an image loader. I'm not gonna write an image loader. Okay, so we'll think about it. Okay, so we now know what we need to do. And this list is also top down, so yeah. Which way would you enjoy more? Taking elaborate or exploring what you or doing that yourself? I'm not sure because I did enjoy it before, and I think it would be a good practice for me since this semester I think I'm gonna have a linear algebra exam, and it would be good to catch up on that stuff. So yes, we are doing a math library ourselves. Okay. Oh, and Thorf and BF rates. I'm not sure I asked, but how are you all doing? Hope you all's found. It's not fraud. It's hope your Fridays are going good. No, it's not Friday. It's Saturday. Hope you all are having a good Saturday. I'm good. Good. By the way, am I saying your name correctly? Or is it Beef Fritz? Because if I recall correctly, you're German, I think. Okay, so Beef Fritz. Right? Okay, so doing good. I'm working on a QOL image encoding coding. What's QOL? Or is it QOI? Anyways. Yeah. QOI. What's that? Bifrits. Yes. Yes. Okay, thanks. Thanks for clarifying. So, we need window. Is there a prelude? There's no prelude. Okay, I don't remember how to do this. So we are gonna be going to um uh, I think it's web GPU RS. No, it's web GPU RS. Oh, um, one moment. Um, oh, right, it's GFXRS. Right, it's GFXRS. So, examples. What is that? Okay, you all are not hearing this. It's good. There's like this very low bass outside. Quite okay image. Image format. I see. I'm curious. Okay, image. I see a relatively new image format. Well, a very new image format. Lossless image compression. Color raster bitmapped. I see. Interesting. The specification fits into a single A4 page, and the implementation is similar to a bytecode interpreter. Interesting. Interesting. How small is it? How small are images compared to the thing? The thing. Shit. To the thing. The PNG or JPEG. The JPEG is probably not a good comparison. Okay. Here's our code. And we are not gonna be copy pasting. It's an async. Interesting. Okay, so they're creating an init loop, event loop. They're creating a new event loop. They say similar size to pinching while being faster, but take that with a grain of salt. I see. Interesting. Why are you looking at that, if you don't mind me asking? The implementation fits into 200 lines of C++. Oh wow. I'm bored. Can't blame you for that. Me. I mean, yeah. Other projects take too much brain power. I see. When I'm bored and why is anyways, when I'm bored and like don't wanna just sort of brain dead or something. I usually playing games like lately it's been Crack Technic Horizons. Like it doesn't take much power, but sometimes it does, but it is generally just grind. I mean, you mine some ore, you mine some clay, you smell those, then you build this multi-block, and then you smelt some steel, you know, and like, it's very relaxing to just, to pick up a pickaxe and start mining a big ore vein. Okay, so we create a new event loop, we create a new window, we need window, new event loop as a reference, and we expect it to create new window. I keep alternating between coding and gaming. I see. I've been way too much on the gaming part in my free time. Well, what I mean by free time, technically this right now is my free time. Technically. But what I consider my free time is when I'm not streaming. So I've been just playing games. Because with work and streaming, like, I already spent a lot of time coding. Well, I should be spending a lot of time coding, but when I'm at work, I just fuck off on the internet way too much. And I think it may be catching up to me. Yeah. It it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Check the calling thread, initialize the wind event clip with the provided closure. This closure is static. It must be a move closure if it needs to access any data from the column context. I see. Okay. The trick is to make a project that takes a while to complete. That takes a while to compile. I've had 100 chapters of One Piece while compiling. That is a good idea. But yeah, I don't think I can do that, sadly. And like, why are you... One moment. Wait. Sorry, I just noticed that the screen thing, the microphone was way too high. So, I'm not sure I can do that, but I suppose that is a good way. Alright. Okay, so. Oh yeah, we are also gonna be adding the lock and unlogger. two G's, right? No, not here. End of locker. Okay. So we are gonna be initializing the end of locker. And after that, we are gonna start our new thread. We are gonna be creating new module which will handle the event loop. Yes. Yes. And that event loop dot run, and here we will have a public function. Alright. This function will be our sort of main function. But what? But we need resources, need things before we run it. Okay, we are gonna make a state structure. This structure will be, in this structure we will be storing our state in our application state. Impl state. Okay. So here we will be creating our state equals state. No. Oh, and here we will be also creating a new function which will be returning a self. How did I? Oh, right. And here we will be creating a oh, no. Yeah, we will be moving this out of the state. Out of here. And here we will be just running it. Oh, and it takes a mutable self. Okay. And in the run function, okay, so we are going to be starting the event loop, which will be an event loop, obviously. And we are also going to be starting our window. Okay. And in the run function, we are going to be run this, and shit. And we are also going to be having a loop. App loop. Which will be taking a mutable reference to self. And will be the actual thing where we are running the thing. So, oh. Self.eventLib.run. Closure, take 3 arguments. Okay, so let's see. Event run, and the thing takes an event window target and control of that. Okay. Okay. Good. Oh, fuck me. The method body here requires one to be static. Okay. Now, this is problematic. Did this method call does not implement copy? Yeah, I know. I know. I think we are gonna solve this by moving this out of here. Say event loop. Okay. And we provide in this state. But it's here. Oh, of course. We need to add it. We need to import it. And of course we need to make it mutable. And of course it still doesn't work because let's call the lifetime. The state is reference that is only is reference that is only the function body, it hijacks the current thread. I see. Okay, so okay, so we are not gonna start the event loop in here. Here we will ask for an event loop. Okay, and in here we are we are going to do a thing. We are gonna remove that and gonna that event loop equals event loop. We are creating a new event loop. We are passing it in here, and then we are going to be running it with 3 parameters. And we are making this public. App loop. Okay. Oh, of course. We need to post this by reference and make okay. Good. So, what happens when we run it? This took way too long. Actually, it's fun. I never worked with Winged. That I have worked with WebGPU. Or have I? Yes, I have worked with WebGPU, but not Winged, because in that project I was making a headless renderer. Oh, and it's not handling events because we have not set up it to handle events. So, in that project, I was making a headless renderer. Well, it's still, it's starting right now. If you go to fractals.cubics.xyz, you'll see this project. These images are rendered on the GPU with WebGPU, but instead of being displayed with a swap-chain, they are sent to the client. It was a really fun challenge to not have a swap-chain and have to do it myself. Oh yeah, you have this on Steam, right? Yes, I did. And it's also open source, so So if you're curious about how it works, about how much of a mess it is, feel free to check it out. And it's currently running on my server, which is right here. Yes, I did just stop the server. Hold on a moment, let me check up on the kitten. Oh, she's so adorable. Oh, she's so adorable. Anyways, to basically clean up my own code mess, unfortunately. C++ is not making it easy. Have you considered Rush that? I mean, I mean, I know you probably did with how many times I have mentioned it before. And yes, Kitty is so fucking. I. I. Ah, an absolutely adorable little fluff ball. Anyways, I have, but Stockholm syndrome keeps me in C++. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, mm, hmm. I was going to say something funny, but I completely forgot. Anyways, right. I'm curious. I'm wondering, how many times have I said anyways today? Way too much, probably. Regardless. So. We obviously need to implement the event loop thing. So we have an event and control flow. Right. We have event and control flow. This is a mutable control flow, and this is an event. So we are going to be adding an event we are going to be adding an event with unit type and adding a Oi! Don't you jump, kids! Don't. I felt her tugging on the mouse cable from underneath the table. Don't shrink cables. Anyways, and in control flow, which is a mutable control flow reference. Oh, she's there. And we pass in the event and the control set. I am. I'm now of leaving her alone. Like, I'm gonna have to do it on Monday because, well, I have work. So I'm gonna have to leave her alone now for at least 10 hours. Probably a bit longer. And I have a lot of cables. Like, I saw her chewing on the. Just checking in real quick. I saw her chewing on one of my monitor power cables. And if she chews through that cable, I'm not sure. Even 12 volts that cable carries will be good for a kitten, especially such tiny kitten. Oh, she's so adorable. Sorry, I I'm just 22 inches. And I can look her out of the room, which I am with my PC. But I'm sure that's a good idea. Like, there's the couch here on which she's been sleeping in her little corner, and yeah. Um 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 yeah. Window event. Okay. So in one moment. I can hear her mirroring. It's fine. I'm sorry. I just way too paranoid right now. Like, I've never had a cat before. Let alone a kitten. Okay, so we are gonna remove. We are gonna remove. Oh. We are gonna remove this, this, and these two are the most important for us. Okay. Here we are. Um. Here we exit. Okay, so yes. So we need to do that, and that. So here are our two main events. There are, oh, of course, and okay. And we can close it now. Excellent. Okay, now on to the more fun stuff. And she's back. Okay. She's playing with one of my hair ties now. And she got bored already. As I said, I'm just way too paranoid about the cat. Right, so are you? No, no, don't go, don't go there. No, 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 no. Sorry, I'm trying to keep her out of the cables. Right. So, we need to create a surface, which is a thing. Yes. So we create an instance of WebGPU. We create a new surface with the window. We create. Then we request an adapter. She's not munching on the box I gave her. It's fun. Inner size. Okay. Then create the instance. GPU instance. GPU instance. Default. We need an instance descriptor. What kind of things are you doing? No, we are going to use a default instance. instance. No. Don't. We are creating a new WebGPU instance with default parameters. Okay. Then we create a new surface. Create surface with the window. And we need to wrap it into an unsafe block, which still scares me. Safety must be a valid object to create a surface upon held until after the returned surface is dropped. Okay. It's fine. And here we will expect able to create an surface. It's so adorable. Okay, we now have our surface. Actually, I am gonna move this here. We create a surface and then create an adapter. Create adapter from hull. No, we request an adapter. Request adapter, and we generate, and we need to pass in the options object. Adapter options. Okay, so power preference. Okay, so we will set those to default and only care about this. It's so adorable. Let me provide the surface as in reference. Okay. And here we expect. I'm gonna hop off. See you. I'll see you. Have a good one. Have a good one, Thorov. Yeah. And it returns in future. It returns in future. Now this is not an async function. So, how can we deal with the future? Can we await it? Yes. So, hmm. Await in future in a not a single function. Yes. So to await inside of a synchronous function. Okay, so we can block on block futures. Do we have an futures? So we need to add futures. Just try this one thing. Features executor block on. Not going there. Okay, let's check the docs of the futures crate. This crate provides a number of core abstraction, executors. Okay, block on F as feature output. Yes. Okay, so we just block on and do this. Okay. And now the adapter is unknown. Can we await now? Oh, because it takes an enclosure. We make it a sync. Unstable. Async closures are unstable. Oh, come on. Please. Use parentheses to call this closure. What do you mean? What do you mean? Use parentheses. But a sync closure is unstable. This is stupid. Why can't I have an async closure? Ah, fine. I'm gonna create a new async function that that'll just request an adapter. It will return a thing. It will return. Can you be less crazy, please? I mean, I know you're kidding, but it's fine. And it will return an option of WebGPU WebGPU thing. WebGPU adapter. And it will take in an instance. Actually, hold on a moment. There may be a better way. Adapter. WebGPU adapter. Okay. As whole features. Request device. Opens the device. We can give it a this thing. This thing. So it's a device and a queue. Yeah, no, we can't use that. A surface is. Yeah, no, we can't do that. Yeah. Are there any better ways to do this? No, don't. Okay. Let's check our. I'm sure here maybe some of the code. Hi Meave. Hope you're doing good today. On this Saturday. Fantastic. Thank you for the. Right. Let's check how I did before. And hope you're doing good today. Oh, of course, because it. Why are you going crazy? Right, we are not doing. Because it's all async. We can just request the thing. But here we can't. Shit. So I had to open the door for her. I know she doesn't want to go there. I swear. Shh. Like, it's fine. Alright. Yeah, we are gonna do this. This is stupid. But I don't see another way to do this. So we are gonna go intense, and request a thing. And we are also request and options, which will be this. Implicit limited lifetime. A limited lifetime allowed here. Fine, I'm gonna give you a lifetime. There you go. And we await you. Okay. So now here. Hold on. Do we need to do this? Can you just do this? Okay, so can you do this instead? Okay, so instead we are gonna do this and do this. And do this. Okay. This is... No, don't go in there. She is very confused by her reflection in the piano. No, don't. She really wants to go under my table with the massive cables. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. This should be fine. So we have created an adapter, and then we request a device. Oh, I'm stupid. Request. No. I mean, adapter. Yeah, WebGPU adapter. No. Request adapter. There may have been a better way to do this. No adapters. Create adapter from hull. Create surface. Tuning apart. Yeah, nothing interesting. Okay. So yeah, we have created an adapter to integrate in Q and in device. I think, yeah, a device in Q. A device and a Q, which we get from the adapter, and we are gonna have to specify the type as WebGPU adapter, and here we unwrap it. Yeah. No. 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 Do. No. Stay out of there. So we request I'm gonna have this. We are gonna have to do this, I guess. So we are gonna create another function because async closures are an unstable feature. Request device. No, don't go in there. No. Do not go in there. I really need to clean up that mess of cables. No. No, do not go in there. I can see you want to go in there. And she's gone. Right. So get an adapter. Which is just a web GPU adapter, which is just a web GPU adapter and a thing, an option. And it, but we are not going to do it for now. An adapter bus device. So we provide yeah. This descriptor. We request a device and we need to provide a device descriptor. Descriptor. And it's a reference to a web GPU device descriptor. And again, it needs a lifetime. So I'm going to give you a lifetime. And so you are getting this descriptor. Can I do this? And we await this. And we return a the result of this. Okay. Are all cats the same? Like, she's running like crazy right now. I I never owned a cat before, so I'm just anxious about that. And we call this function adapter, and we provide a reference to a GPU device descriptor. We fill in the struct field. And we need to provide another thing. No, we don't need. Or do you? Oh yeah, we did. We are not gonna add a. Yeah, we are gonna leave it as default. Because it's an O. And we of course need to add an argument file to create a device and a queue. So it now creates a web GPU device and a queue. Okay. Okay. We have created in this, and then we are almost done. Just some pipelines and shaders and stuff like that. Going to eat. Good night, everyone. Have a good night. Be friends. Yeah, and I'll see you later. Why is she so crazy? Now she's just cleaning herself. Sure. I'm sure in like a minute she will be again. She again will be just running. Yep. Right. So we have created that. Now we need to create a shader. Okay, we need to create a shader. Shader module descriptor, source of that. No, no, no. Do not go. Why am I so tired already? It's fun. I've been up for just like 12 hours. Well, no, a bit longer, I think. But I'm already so tired. I think my natural rhythms are finally kicking in. It's a shame that like I wonder how what will happen now? I bet it will just crash. Yeah. Be right back. I need to get some water. She's like so. She's just sitting there. But you know that any moment now she would just start. She would start going crazy again. Oh, and it didn't crash. That is nice. So, um, um, um. Okay. Let's create a pipeline first. We are going to create a shader for that. So, do not either. Sorry, I just need to keep an eye on her. Alright. So, we are gonna be creating a thing. Actually, I don't remember how exactly it works. Alright. Alright, right, I remember. So, in different graphics API, they handle things differently. I mean, yeah, it makes sense. So, for example, in OpenGL, do not go in there. Do not go in that. Do not get out. Get out. Do, do, here. Sit here. Okay. No. This was a bad. Okay. I have decided to put her on my table, and now she's exploring it. I think if this was a bad idea, she'll just start going crazy again. Soon. And she's already jumping on my on my keyboard. Do not touch that. No, this was a bad idea. Yeah. I should get her. I should get her like in a toy thing, so that she has one place to go crazy, which is not under my table with jumping on the keyboard. Oh come on! No, 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 no. Sorry. There's probably some way to prevent that, or some other way to deal with that. But I never had a kitten before, so yeah. Right. So as I was saying, yeah, do not go. Do not go in there. As I was saying, so in different games, things are done different. Actual rendering part have the encoded instructions. So in OpenGL, for example, you do that. You encode instructions by calling functions in your rendering function. You would call the start frame function. You then call triangle function, and stuff like that. In WebGPU, I now remember, you create an encoder in which then you in WebGPU and in Vulkan too, I think. No, do not. No. Why do you want to go here? In with GPU and welcome you have the coder pipeline ongoing. Do not. Maybe just accept that it's gonna might be. I mean, she's not a Ron, so. I mean, I don't think she will be able to shoot through a cable. Because she's not like a rodent, like bunny or a rabbit or a, or a rat. But I'm not sure. No. I'm gonna have to deal with that in some point. Yeah. So, as we sing, just checking. As I was saying, oh, for fuck's. Why are you like this? Do not. Okay, I think I solved the problem. I'm just gonna hold the thing with the thing, one of the toys, so that there's something more fun than chewing on cables. And I'm gonna have to deal with that tomorrow. Right. So, as I was saying, hopefully I will be able to finish my sentence now. As I was saying, so, in Vulkan there are these encoder objects. They are precompiled sets of instructions that you execute on the GPU. So instead of how it's done dynamically in OpenGL, I have worked with on the major graphics API. I'm sorry. It's absolutely adorable. Right. So we are gonna have to. So we are gonna have to start. What am I? Alright. We are. This. Not this one part. This should be sufficient. I fixed the thing. It's like a feather on the string. A thing of made of feathers on the string. And she's loving it. Please get tired or I can go to sleep. You can probably hear it now though. Okay, this should be better. Okay, so no, I'm not going to do this. I'm gonna have this as an extra measure in case she does go under the table. No, you're not going under the table. So we need to start the device in here. And we need to start the view. So we are providing the device and the queue. Okay. Do not go. Here. Okay. Maybe I'll have to do coding with one hand. Right. Oh, she's adorable though. So, in the in the request branch, this is where we are going to be putting our actual code. That will be run when rendering. Okay. So here we are going to need to create a. We get the current texture. So here we create a we create an encoder. Create command encoder. And we create and we provide an encoder descriptor. We are going to be providing a label. We are going to be using a default. Oh, can you? Here. Yeah, here you go. Are you ready to solve this problem? Should we first? So I'm tight on money right now. I should not have probably bought that dress. Right. That's not. What's going on? She's now trying to climb up under the table. You can't. No, no, do. I think I managed to occupy her. This should be good. I just can't let her chew on cables. Like, so what's the issue? Oh, there's a. Oh, and we need to provide a reference. And she already got barred. Okay. We have created an encoder. Now, with that encoder, we can we create a render pass. Or can we just clear? Oh, come on. Go. I don't think I can get much work done with her just going crazy. Right. So, what are they doing here? They are creating texture, then they're creating a view, then they're creating a render boss with color attachment being dot, and they are preferring a FGPU clear on that. Okay. Right, of course. So we are gonna begin a render pause. And now she's attacking the door. We aren't gonna have any label. So this will be none. And here we will be providing a thing. PU web GPU. And it should be in color. I don't remember. Under pause descriptor. It's an option. It's an array of options. Right. So it will be a. Oh come. Dark. Actually, let me just. No, Hmm. I think I'm. I think I have to end because like I I just can't with her just. Did. Kittens. Hmm. I mean, it's probably it's partially my fault because there's nothing. Yeah. I forgot to get her like a static toy, and she's gotta wear her out first. I mean, she was sleeping for the first half of the stream, and she woke up and decided to choose buttons. Well, that finds being against cables. Anyways, oh, it's actually holding the the toy thing. Like I have this toy that is just like, well, as I said, feather on a string, essentially. It is more fun than the thing. Get her something like that, but doesn't but Twitch doesn't involve me. Right. I can't code. I cannot code with one hand. So I am gonna have to end here. Yeah. And we are gonna be writing out there. We are gonna be writing out. We are gonna be writing impersonate octo point. They string Unity game development and yeah, they string Unity. So I'm sorry once again for ending early, but this kid is it's doing kidding things. Thing I was thinking to start up. Oh, if you're starting the stream, your stream now, I wouldn't be against waiting like a few minutes. Anyways, I lost my train of thought again. There are way too many things to keep in my head. So yeah, oh no, my OBS is messy right now. It's okay. Maybe next time. So yeah, thank you for coming by and for hanging out. And I'll see you on Monday.